Whether you're a first-time home buyer, a move-up home buyer, or even planning for your retirement, mortgage lending does not have to be a difficult process. I'm here looking at some new construction homes with my son and to meet with M&T Bank Senior Vice President of Mortgage Lending, Scott Vahue. He's going to go over some available mortgage options for me, but first I want to check out this house. There you go. Can you take a bath?
Yeah.
Laura, what'd you think about the house?
I love it. I love this kitchen, by the way. I love the white cabinets, and I love that it's an open kitchen because I have a son, obviously, and I like to see what he's doing and where he's playing. So I think that's a big thing for families.
Yeah.
They love open kitchens.
Moving can be stressful enough, and we try to make it as easy and as simple as we can. On top of that, we like to have a really broad product menu, so folks only have one place that they need to come to when they need their mortgage financing done.
What's the first step for a new home buyer?
First step for a new home buyer is you should really come up with a budget of what you can afford. From there, you really need to move to, where do I want to live? What type of house do I want to have? Do I want to be in a condo, a townhouse? Do I want to be in a big development, things like that? And then you can move on to, what are the best ways for me to finance that?
And whether it's new construction to build your dream home, a home purchase, or even a fixer-upper, M&T Bank has you covered with a variety of financing options. So can you walk me through some of the mortgage options that are out there?
The first, and this is probably what suits maybe 70-75% of the population, would be your traditional 30-year fixed rate kind of mortgages. Things you might have heard of Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac or FHA and things like that. That really helps a lot of people, but associated with those are all kinds of assistance programs for first-time home buyers and folks that buy in certain areas around the country, and those are where it gets really, really complex. What really surprises most people is they think I gotta have 20% down or something like that, I've gotta have perfect credit, and that's not true at all. Folks can get into houses for less than $1,000. There's even some very targeted programs where you don't even need any cash to close in them.
For those that already own a home, M&T Bank offers a wide range of refinance mortgage options that allow homeowners the ability to tap equity to consolidate debts, make home improvements, lower their current interest rate, or adjust the term of their loan to pay off sooner or reduce their payment. I didn't know there were so many options when it came to mortgages. I had no idea that you could get a bridge loan if you had a house and you couldn't sell it right away. I had no idea that you could get a construction loan, a renovation loan. That's why I know it's so important to actually talk to a lender.
Best thing that happens is you find out other options you may not have thought about. You may find out about free money, grant, down payment programs that you had no idea, or even really discounted rates. So we've talked about first-time home buyers, repeat home buyers, and every single one of those segments could include seniors. So very important aspect of our product offering, and frankly, an important aspect of being a community bank.
I'm a widow, and I would like to go into a retirement community. But my husband used to do all the mortgage matters, and I just don't know where do I begin?
Have you thought about how you're going to afford this new house?
Well, I heard about there's a reverse mortgage out there, but I'm not sure I know that much about it.
A reverse mortgage is a really, really neat financial planning tool. As a senior, we have financial counseling requirements. So these are actually certified financial counselors that run through what your situation is and really help you understand what some of your best options are, in addition to what your loan officer and bank may be telling you.
That would be one thing that I would have been worried about if he didn't tell me. So that gives me a really good peace of mind.
Nowadays, many banks also offer online tools to help get people started. At M&T, they have an online and mobile app where you can get pre-approved or play with different payment scenarios to determine corresponding loan sizes. You always hear that term pre-approval.
Sure.
Why is it so important to be pre-approved?
If you think of what's recently happened in the housing market, right? There are all these people that are trying to buy houses, and there's not enough houses for sale. So when you go to a realtor and say, I want to put an offer in on your house, they won't even let you put one in until you have a pre-approval. Being a part of the communities we serve is super, super important. It all feeds into what's long-term best for our communities. And you know, it may sound a little bit corny, but I always think about Jimmy Stewart and It's a Wonderful Life. And that's the kind of banker we want to be. That's the kind of place M&T is. You know, being in the mortgage business, we're really in the American dream business.
For more information on available mortgage options, visit the M&T Bank website at mtb.com or go to our website at designingspaces.tv.